Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
You start by clarifying purpose. What will the site do and who it serves? Once done, pick 3-5 candidate names that are short and brandable. Avoid hyphens if possible. Next, confirm trademarks and basic legal conflicts so you don't pick a name you can't use. Then, perform quick availability checks for your preferred top-level domain options, comparing cost and recognition to choose a TLD that fits your goals. You now register the domain through a reputable registrar, enable Whois privacy, and note renewal pricing so you don't get surprised later. While registering, select hosting that fits traffic and tech needs. Shared for low budget, VPS or cloud for scale, managed for simplicity. Make sure to compare storage, bandwidth, CPU, backups, and support responsiveness. Pick a plan that leaves headroom. Finally, note login credentials and set up billing for recurring payments. You finish by connecting domain to hosting. Either change name servers or add A and C name records per host instructions. Wait for DNS propagation. Once connected, install SSL and your CMS or site files and enable automated backups and basic security. Make sure to test pages and forms. If something goes wrong, first verify DNS propagation and flush local DNS and browser cache. If the issue persists,
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.